Forget password. Say hi to everyone. Yes. Good morning, you guys. So we are here at Mansion Hostel after 2 days of rest. After my friends got sick, stomach flu, and all sorts of sickness. So yeah, we're at this hostel and we're heading out to Myanmar to explore the what's the thing called the broken pagoda, the one with the crack, the big crack on it. So yeah, I've already been there, and the only reason why I'm going there is this pagoda is really beautiful. Like a lot of tourists go there to take photos because the background is just plain white, and they're like curves that you can step on. So yeah, that's my main goal, but my friends will be going to the broken pagoda, the unfinished pagoda. So yeah, today's gonna be a fun day and we'll be riding, so we have a lot of good history while riding back in Vietnam. I don't know what we're gonna be doing, what kind of fun we're gonna be having today with our bikes. So yeah, see you guys later. How was the ride?
My eyes red.
Yeah.
Tiring, eyes red.
Red as usual. Doesn't matter about the sunglasses.
Yeah.
What a place to chill, man. It's just so windy and so cooling. I can smell bird shit. Skills.
Hold on. What are you taking?
How to get a good photo?
The roof, bro. But it's too bright already. I cannot see the top.
So guys, getting toasted under the hot sun. These guys enjoying it. That is a magnificent sight though. Singapore actor.
Do you fly your drone to the top?
Yep.
The top.
So guys, we are at ARE Riverside, just chilling, drinking sugarcane, drinking coconuts. Life is good, man, but I got tan.
It's not plastered.
Sunburn is real.
Sunburn.
I was too lazy to change my clothes in the morning, but now I suffer. It's hot. mountain range though. See, one layer, then the second layer, then the third layer. So apparently the second largest bell in the world is not that of an interest for them. So, whoops, we're gonna head out to another destination, another stop. Feet are burning. God, me. Woo. 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 Eugene, I try your nature. Kena bro.
Kena pinai.
Whoa, shit. Go out from here, go out from here. Hey bro, what's up bro? Let's go, let's go. How are you doing? It is damn hot bro. Wow, but it's beautiful. It is beautiful. So yeah, I'm trying to get some B-rolls, and I was using my GoPro, you know, checking out the angles, but I can't see shit, man. Not like this, not like this. It's just too bright.
Ton bro. Nobody bro.
So,
On yourself.
so we're walking on the tiles.
So I decided to be a smart ass.
It was so hot, so he decided to be like a smart ass.
And then
And he said,
step on the ground. Then the ground had a billion thorn bushes on them.
Famous last words, life hacks.
he was saying life hacks guys. Then he was so happy, and then 2-3 seconds later, ouch, ouch.
Got wrecked, son.
Now he's bleeding.
Then we turned around, saw him sitting on the floor.
Hey, sitting on the floor is not his best.
So right now we guys are here in the shelter, and we can't get in the into the sun. But check this out. There are girls. There are girls who are willing to do. Okay, she just disappeared. I think there's one coming up. Okay, there's one. They're willing to take photos no matter what. Doesn't matter the heat, the sun. Girls power. Go girls. So guys, we have decided to take a boat ride back to Mandalay. because we're too tired to, you know, ride back. It's just really hot, and our bikes are still there, hanging out there. So the price was like around $45, but we bargained it to $30. So yeah, good deal, because we're just too tired, and I think it's a good experience, you know, to go back with the boat. Sunburn. Oh, this one's more obvious. What? What? Are you wearing sleeve, bro? So this is our hostel. This is how it looks like.
Oh yeah, they got curtains. Holy shit, this is
It looks pretty big. I mean, more spacious than the usual hostel. So it's very nice. And the view is good. We're on the 3rd floor. It's so hot today, so we're gonna take a shower, you know, cool down.
All the way to shower, bro. I want to shower. Yeah, I want to shower and then.
So you guys probably know what we ate. So me and Elgin are at the top of Mandalay Hill. Danish, he was just down below. Yeah, maybe 2 flights or 3 staircases below. So he couldn't make it anymore. That's okay. He's just chilling down there, so we're just gonna enjoy the view and go down. We kind of missed the sunset though.
Yeah.
But that's okay, We can still come here. We can still come here on the next day. So, there's a storm coming, by the way.
Night light's still nice though.
Yep, the night light is still nice, but my GoPro can't capture sheep. Sheep! Ooh, what a beautiful scenery!
La la la. Titilila.
He doesn't want to come. So I'm going to you. Titili.